Hello, welcome back to Paradise Gaming. We are going to play another gameplay called Bird Climb. I have played Bird Climb, as you can see on the top. I played 2 games already. My highest score was like 11. So in this game, you can play easy mode, multiplayer, and single player, as you can see. And I'm gonna try single player real quick. Let me see. So you tap faster to fly faster, but I will always fly from side to side. Just don't let me hit the obstacles, of course. Alright, here we go. See how well we can go. Oh. Okay, we're doing good so far. Not too shabby. Alright. Not too bad at this game, okay? Okay, 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 okay. Okay, 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 okay. Never mind, I suck. I'm not gonna save you. Alright. Play one more time, single player. See how things. You can afford a new bird, you can buy it here. I actually don't want to buy another bird. I don't want to waste any money for a bird. Okay. No, thank you. No, I do not want to exit. Okay. I do not want to buy another bird. Alright, let's play one more time. Alright. Okay, we're doing good so far. Okay, okay. We got 28 gems. I think that's what they're called on this game. So we're not doing that bad. Alright. Alright, let's go. Come on. Floor 6. Oh, okay. You know what, let's try multiplayer. To see how things go. Start new game. Random. Let's just play somewhere random. Alright, here we go. Okay. And he died already. Wow. I'm gonna win it. I'm gonna win already. Okay. But I won. That's all that matters. I won. Yep. Sure, I'll go for a rematch. Alright. And he's not playing right now. But I'm recording the gameplay for him. Alright. Not doing too bad right now. Alright, let's go. Like I said before, my previous video, I will be posting Minecraft. I will be posting Minecraft later this week. I'm not quite sure when, but it'll be soon, so stay tuned for that. So yeah. I'm gonna start a new game, play random once again. Alright. And he's off already. Alright. Yes. He has a pretty cool bird. Alright. Can't lose. I cannot lose. Come on. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Not doing that bad right now. Floor 6. Oh my god. Oh, and I lost. Yep, I lost. Alright. Peasley. Yep. Not now. I think I'm gonna go for one more game and I'm gonna set a goal for myself. I'm gonna see if I can reach a high score of 12. Floor 2. Come on, floor 3. I don't know how to pass this. Nope, I had no idea. Alright. Yep. Well, yep. Well, floor 26. I don't know how he made it. Alright. Yep, there's no way of me beating him. Well, that does it for today's gameplay. I will be posting tomorrow once again. Well, thank you for watching. This is Paradise Gaming. See you tomorrow.